Hey TJ, it's Keith here, the Fat Yankee buddy. So listen, I am inside my ClickFunnels account, and I'm going to show you basically what this program does. Okay, now listen, I'm not over exaggerating when I say this. This program literally makes people millionaires. Okay, I'm a digital marketer. I know how to use this program. I've been using it for about 2 years. It's really very simple for the novice to get into because it's all point and click and drag and drop. Okay, so I literally actually have a buddy who sold a course and made $5 million in the past year and a half by using this particular program. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is I'm going to get into my account here, and while I'm doing that, I just want to tell you a little bit about myself, and I want you to check me out. Okay. So 3 years ago, I had 70 employees, and now I don't get into this with everybody, and I don't tell people, get into a lot of my stuff. But if you look at KeithJRainville.com and you look under my companies, you'll see the companies that I owned. I've created 3 multi-million-dollar companies in my lifetime, one of which did over $8 million a year that I just sold 3 years ago. Okay, so I'm not patting myself on the back, but I'm extremely good at a business. I own a few websites right now, including the jerky company, and they're doing extremely well. Okay. One of the reasons why they're doing extremely well, TJ, is because of this program. Okay. It is very important in business to advertise, obviously, especially with social media. Now, I know a lot about advertising because I've had huge budgets to advertise with when I've had my big companies. Okay, one of the companies I actually own a lot of cell phone stores in my lifetime, and they give what's called co-op dollars, which is money to advertise. So I got to spend their money in advertising. So I've spent hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in the past 25 years of owning cell phone stores, and I know what works and what doesn't. Right now in life, and it's been a lot along the way, is social media right now is obviously huge. And the other thing that works is billboards. No, radio, it doesn't work. Don't ever do radio. But TV works too, because I used to have a bunch of TV commercials on Bay News 9 here in Florida. So anyway, but I want to tell you about social media. This is actually how I do all my advertising now, and never do a print ad, by the way, TJ. Don't ever do a print ad. It doesn't work. They suck. Okay. So anyway, bud, so I want to show you something that is it's called a funnel. This is called ClickFunnels, this program. And what this basically does is it directs people where you want them to go in the sales process. Okay, so this funnel system allows you to make pages like a website by dragging and dropping things, which is very easy. Anybody can do it, and it allows you to point your customer in a direction. Okay, so there's what's called a sales ladder in social media marketing. It's called a value ladder, and what that does is we give people we advertise what's called a magnet. A magnet is a free promotion to get the customer to trust you and do what's called an opt-in. To opt-in is for them to give you their email address, and then so you give them that free something, whether it be a promo code or a free bag, half a bag of jerky like I do, or a free something for them to get into your funnel and to opt in for a chance at getting this promo code or possibly a half a bag of jerky like I do. Okay, so my main objective is to get their email address so that they can get into my sales funnel, and I want them to try my jerky, and I want them to go to my website, and I want to give them a promo code so they can go to my website and possibly buy more jerky than what what is in the sales funnel. Okay, so I'm going to show you a basic sales funnel. The bottom line is, TJ, is we want to get their email address, because when we have their email address, we can market them once a week and get business for free, because it doesn't cost anything to email, right? Okay, so we want them to opt in, that they trust us to give their email address. So there's a transaction that they've done, and we get their email address, and then we continue to build our email list by advertising, and we get what's called positive ROI. Okay, positive return on ad spend. Okay, so ROA rather. So when we're advertising, we're collecting emails and we're getting orders. So these ads are actually paying for themselves with profitability as well. Do you get it? I know it's kind of a lot to take in, but I'm going to show you one of my funnels here. Okay, so this one here is for the well, let me show you my basic one. This was for my Great Beef Jerky Guide, which I sell. I sell a cookbook, and then I sell them access to get into the private group. Okay, when I first started the Craft Beef Jerky Makers group, I let a bunch of people in. I think you were being one of them. But now everybody has to buy my cookbook in order to gain private access, because I'm going to be giving everybody a ton of information in there. Tons of information that you would normally pay for. It's a university education, basically, for $20. You know what I mean? This is ridiculous. All this time that I've spent over the past 2 years, I'm giving this information out for free. So I'm building value, but I wanted to let people in the group for free so I could show that there's members and it wasn't just me in the group, right? Because there's no value there. So anyway, so I'm going to show you my opt-in funnel, okay? So this one here is the Fat Yankee Jerky opt-in funnel. Now, I do others. I have pages of funnels that I've worked on, okay? So I'm going to go in here, and I'm just going to go into edit the page, and then I'm going to go, and then I'm going to preview the funnel so you can actually see what it does. Okay, so I'm going to hit preview here on the right-hand corner. Now, this is what the customer sees when they click on my link in Facebook. It comes to this page, okay? So, do you like beef jerky? Sign up for our mailing list and receive a unique promo code from 10 to 15% off in free beef jerky. Minimum order $7.99, okay? So, all of a sudden now they see that they could possibly get 10 to 15% off if they order, and they're going to get free beef jerky. Underneath that, it says minimum $7.99. You could put some testimonials on this page and so on and so forth. But there's a magnet. Do you see where I'm giving them a freebie in order to get to that next level where I get their email? I'm showing them that they could possibly get a promo code from 10 to 15% off. Well, everybody in this world is a gambler. So they want to see if they're going to get the big promo code. They're going to get that big 15% promo code, right? So they come down here and say, get my promo code in free jerky. So then they have to opt in, okay? So this is part of the funnel. They're opting in the funnel. Now, this is all set up stuff for you. So this maybe look complicated to you, TJ, but it's very simple. This is very simple stuff. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to put in my name, and then they have to put in their email address, okay? I'm going to do that. And that's going to bring them to the next section of the funnel, okay? So, yep, did I do that right? Yeah, hit submit. Now it submits, and it's going to go to the next section of the funnel. All right, you with me? Okay, so now it says, thanks for signing up. Congratulations, 10% off free shipping, and you're going to get a free 1.5-ounce bag of teriyaki. Promo code Yankee. So on my website, they can go in and put the promo code. It's going to take 10% off. When we see that promo code, we're going to, it's also going to give them free shipping with that promo code, which you can adjust on your website. And then we're going to give them a 1.5-ounce bag of teriyaki. We already know when we see that promo code, we give them a standard bag of 1.5 ounces of teriyaki. We have them in small bags. That's what we do. Okay, so now when they just put in that email, TJ, what happened was I captured their email address, and I set up the email through a free account called MailChimp, okay, where you can set up and all your email addresses will go. It's free up until you get to 2,000, okay? So now they have the ability, once they get the promo code, to click here and shop now. Now, if they don't want to get the promo code, they can click this other option over here, okay? So I'm going to click shop now, and it's going to take them right to my website. Now, I don't know, I can't remember actually where the other one, no thank you. I clicked on the other one, no thank you. I make my own jerky. So this here, I actually have this set up to go to my recipe book. When they say no thanks, it goes right to my recipe book, and you'll listen.
Hey guys, this is Keith Rainville here. How are you? The Fat Yankee is here, my friends, and I'm going to give you $5 off today, guys, on my great beef jerky guide. It's 20 scratch-made recipes, guys, that I've created and have been tested, and people love, my friends. So get the guide. But that's not the most important thing, my friends. I'm going to give you exclusive membership access to my Facebook group, Craft Beef Jerky Makers, my friends. It's an exclusive group of people.
Basically, I have set up inside the funnel, TJ, that it plays an audio. I can actually put a video inside this funnel, but it plays an audio telling them about the promotion. If they get the guide, they get free access to the Facebook group, okay? So now they have the ability to go and get the guide. You can see my screen. So I'm going to click on Get the Guide. So then they come over here to the order form inside this funnel. They fill out their information, put their credit card number in. Now underneath is what's called a bump. Okay, so they click if they want to take advantage of this one-time offer. Is what we call it in the digital marketing. We call it an OTC. They want to take advantage of this. They can go and get all 7 bags of my 3-ounce upgrade for $51.99 with free shipping. So they can go and actually pay for this right now and get it if they want to click that order bump. But if they don't want to click that, you see how it added it and how it took it away? If they unclick it, they can just get my guide and complete the order. I'll see that the order went through. It'll ring ching on my phone. And then all of a sudden now I let them into the group, right? So these are funnels. This is how we gain an access to people's, people's email address. Because listen, you could pay for advertising for the rest of your life. But if you get, 10,000 emails while you're advertising and also getting orders, positive ROA or return on ad spend, you're gaining an email list that you can use in the future to gain more access to your customer. These people that opt into this are interested in your product, okay? Because when we do a Facebook ad, we say, okay, hey, listen, free jerky promo. We give them, we write what's called copy, and then we get them to opt in, okay? So this is a lot of information to take in. And then again, if you do get it, use my link, please. I'll help you out along the way. And I want to see, I just started doing this as an affiliate with ClickFunnels, and I want to see if they do pay, if you do get it. Now, I will tell you, TJ, you may not be ready for this. I mean, it is a little bit expensive. It's $97 a month, but I pay it. I've been paying it for over 2 years, and it's worth every single penny, okay? Because of the fact that I can advertise these and get, again, a positive return on ad spend. Okay, so when you're ready, let me know. Though I want to see if these jerk offs pay me, because I don't know. I've been advertising that stuff a little bit, and I haven't gotten. I think I got $6 from them already, buddy. But listen, I hope this helps you out. If you need help with marketing, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. And that's it. I'm going to send you this video link here on YouTube, brother. And I hope you get something out of the video. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.